Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be quantum leaping into a reality where you are now back with your ex. This is the best way to get something instantly. We're going to be doing this exercise together. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. For all services that I offer, you can go on Kaminski.com. I offer courses, coaching, collective coaching, and that's it. You can also check my social media, follow me on platforms like Instagram and X and TikTok. I've been having a lot of fun on TikTok recently, so you can go check that out. And I intend for this video to change your absolute life for the best. Let's get into it. So I've made videos like this in the past, which I will include in the card up above, where I did these quantum leaping exercises and they were insanely popular. Just read the success stories under the videos there. I just want to let you know that it is totally possible for you to manifest your ex instantly. The reason that is because we're stepping into a new reality. So you're not getting your ex in the current reality that you are in right now, and that's totally okay because infinite realities exist. They're all you, they are all your partner, and we're choosing our realities in each and every single moment. So you can decide just as easily to manifest $1 million or whatever it is that you want. So in this video, we're going to be doing this exercise of stepping into the reality where you are in a relationship with your ex right now. And you will literally transform into that reality. This is called quantum shifting or quantum leaping. It is not as scary as it sounds, I promise. Get excited because the world that you know it as it is today, right now, is going to completely change, completely transformed. I'm getting goosebumps as I'm saying this right now. So we have to assume exactly what it is that we want first before we take a step into this new reality. Let's be specific. What is it that you want? You don't have to be insanely specific, but you know, do you want a relationship with your ex? Do you want a text from your ex? Do you want an apology from your ex? Anything works. And let's say right now that absolutely every single thing else in our reality will not change. The only thing that will change is you are in a relationship with your ex, or you get a text from your ex, whatever it is that you are wanting. But I want to be quantum shifting into a relationship with an ex, your ex. And I am assuming right now that it's not me that's going to be stepping into this reality. I'm sending all of my energy directly to you as I'm doing this with you. So do this with me together. I'm not going to stand up because I want you guys to see my face, but I encourage you to stand up and know that the next step that you take, you will be taking a step into a new reality where you are in a relationship with your SP. So stand up right now, and I am going to take a step, and I'm also going to clap so you know that my clap and the step are happening at the same time. So the next step that I take, the next time my foot hits the floor, I am stepping into a reality where my ex and I are in a relationship together. Okay? On the count of 3. And as I say the words 3, I am going to step into a new reality again where you and your ex, or me and my ex, because I'm guiding you through this, are together. And I also want to preface this, that the second that your foot hits the ground, I want you to know that it is done. And I want you to know that you are now in a relationship with your ex. That is your reality now. I want you to carry that with you as you live your life. And remember what we did right now together. Okay, on the count of 3. The second my foot hits the ground, I'm in a reality where I am in a relationship with my ex. 1, 2, 3. I and you are now in a relationship with our ex, now called boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is. Congratulations. This is your reality now. Doesn't that feel amazing? Don't you just feel secure and whole and complete and loved and excited to spend all of your days with this person? Doesn't it just feel so warm and fuzzy and safe? I'm so happy for you guys. So again, I want you to remember what we did because this was very powerful. We quantum jumped. You are going to begin to see the unfoldment of that, right? Because you're already in that reality and it's coming to play. It should be almost instant. If you did this correctly, in the next 24 hours, you will start seeing actions that you are in a relationship with this person. For example, I'm in a relationship with my partner right now, but it's not like he's running to me and kissing me 24/7 while I'm filming this video, you know? So it's just going to naturally unfold like a natural relationship would as it goes throughout the day. So you're just going to, well, you already have been plopped into that reality. So anything now that he does, like y'all are going to be in a relationship together. It could be in the form of them texting you or calling you right now. It could be them just casually coming over to your house because that's what you guys planned in this reality, right? So I want you to let me know what happened in the comments down below. And if you have any questions, let me know as well, because this is really powerful. This is insane. And I have been quantum shifting to do with the things that I really, really want for a long time. And it is one of the most powerful techniques. And I'm really excited to know how you guys did and your results in the comments down below. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.